This man was riding on his motorcycle when a truck stopped in the middle of the road. The biker was pissed and the truck driver was too.
What the fuck?
Look where you're going.
You're in the middle of the road.
No, it's a U-turn.
Then
Don't
wait.
snatch your
Then
little
fucking
headlight.
wait.
Hit my truck again. And I'll
Dumb
fuck that
fucking
shit up.
dumbass dude. What the fuck?
You want to ride your
Right here, bitch. I got this shit, dude.
camera? Take your camera. You hit my fucking truck.
Because you almost
Fuck
fucking
that.
killed me.
Watch where you're going.
I'm going straight.